all dissolves.
That fucking tattoo!
You didn't know that?
No, I did. I'm recording Grace's ass.
What does it mean?
You think you're funny? I just came down here for a joke and I didn't acknowledge you?
No, I was standing in front of the camera.
Oh, it's a wide angle.
Yeah, but it's gonna be mostly my shin bone.
Your lanky legs.
Yeah. Really
Sucks.
get sort of
What is it? Pick on Jake Day? Fuck you guys.
Noticed, like, those are awesome.
They're slipper
They're so
socks.
small.
Why don't you wear slippers?
I do have the Deadpool slippers.
I'm saying like instead of shoes you guys buy every time.
Why are you guys picking on me?
Why don't you wear bears?
No, just let's go. Fuck you guys. I know, honestly. Oh, there's a dead bird. Oh, this is so sad, actually. What do we do?
Oh no, you know what's even worse?
What?
It's not dead.
I
It's
know.
suffering. I don't know. Maybe you should go ask them what we should do because it's suffering. It's just dying. No, I'm serious.
I am serious too.
I don't know.
Oh, perfect clickbait. Grace kills a bird in my front driveway.
It probably happened right when I pulled up.
Alex,
I know it shows.
there's a bird that's dying in your front driveway.
A bird?
In your driveway that's dying.
Is it like a baby bird?
It's a cool looking bird. Can you give him water?
I have water in my car. Should we just like pour it on it?
Yeah, go get.
No, I'm not on him. But like a little stream or something.
Yeah. God, what a way to start the vlog, huh? It's breathing all heavy. Let's go! And she's drinking the water in front of the fucking bird. Let's go! I don't know what else. God, everybody in the comment section is gonna be like, "Why are you?"
You just waterboarded this poor bird.
Oh, I feel so bad. Can you get a bowl of water?
Just be gentle.
In the neighbor's yard?
Well, okay. I don't know. Right side up though.
Where's your water bottle? Some more water on him?
Like a little bit, don't like drench him.
I know.
Hold him like right side up. Just hold him and then like put his face like into, yeah, like that.
We saved a bird.
I'll be happy.
Or he's drowning. One of the two.
No. Can we leave the cap here, Grace?
Yeah, leave the cap here and then.
Too much.
Oops, sorry, bud.
Like, comment, subscribe.
Like, comment, subscribe. Like if you like birds. Comment your favorite bird below. Yo, if we come back and this bird's gone, I'm gonna be so happy. Grace, what is this?
Oh, don't.
What are you doing?
It's just the way it is.
Is this a stolen car?
Oh,
What? What happened?
complicated.
Okay.
Where's the grocery store?
I don't know. Let's just do time lapse. Do it. Let's go. Look at Grace's back tat. You edgy fuck. This looks good.
Yeah, but dude, you can make that.
I could, but who has time for that?
But there's
What?
beans in it.
I love beans.
Oh, okay.
Toot toot!
I like almond.
Grace, you are the worst cart driver I've ever seen.
Well, I think if I was, I'll tell you what.
No, you're good, you're good, you're good. God, such a burden.
I know, sorry. I would get this.
Yeah, I know you would, but you're not me.
Oh, or you could just get regular almond milk.
No, I'm good. I have a penis. Boy, no.
Dude, apples.
We don't have a baby. Let's just let's beeline it out of the baby section. I could see you doing it.
Fuck you.
Ooh. I used to Grace, I'm gonna fucking kill you.
This is the only thing that's giving me energy.
Okay, alright, we need to get out of this section. I'm gonna end up buying something. Alright.
My water's in here.
Okay. It's like shopping with a child. I'm gonna count to 3, Grace. Just gonna walk away and hopefully she follows. like clockwork.
Is that microwave rice?
Yeah.
No!
What are you talking about?
You can't talk about how
Why?
you want organic apples and then you're gonna get microwaved rice.
What's wrong with microwave rice?
No, you should just buy a big, do you have a rice cooker?
No, I used to.
You should buy like a big bag of rice.
Well, for now though, what?
What do you eat? I don't know why you eat this. I would not eat this.
If you cook me rice and put it in like a Tupperware, then yeah. Or we can go get a rice cooker another time. Jesus Christ. You act like you're trying to save my goddamn life.
I am.
No.
The microwave rice, I don't.
You're just a burden.
I'm not gonna say anything else.
No, please, I need your input. Is there any more? There is.
Is this like, I wonder how much like preservatives and stuff is in this.
I'm worried about protein. That's the only flavor that's good. All the other ones taste gross as fuck. Ooh, lemon dill. I'll try lemon dill. Grace, move your goddamn Birkenstocks. Come on, Grace. Come on.
It's good though.
What
There's no weird. It's just normal. Like there's a shit ton of sodium in it, but
I'm trying to lower my sodium intake.
But look at this. I mean, like the only thing I don't know what's in it is like what's that? I don't know what that is.
What? That's MSG.
Oh fuck.
That's literally just MSG. These are the best. It's gluten-free, I know. I swear I have a penis, but they're fucking bomb. Annie's is for pussies. It's for dread-headed fucking lesbians with hairy armpits. Oh, Jesus fucking Christ. Ugh. I'm good. I'm just with my friend Grace right now.
Pumping her gas.
Yeah, I'm pumping her gas. I just went grocery shopping. Yeah, she's pretty cute. I don't know.
I'm very cute.
She's pretty. You what?
Thank you.
Okay.
They're very impressed with the quality.
Okay.
I want to kind of line up a meeting.
Alright,
You should call him later. That's a good opportunity.
I've filmed for him before.
I know, but he wants you to meet new people.
I know, I'm going to.
But why aren't you excited?
I am.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
Are you?
Yeah, I'm
Okay,
just
you're
so...
hard to read.
Alright, let's check on this bird before we bring in the food. Is the bird alive?
Oh my gosh.
What?
It's gone.
Oh, it's dead.
Oh,
Is it dead?
I don't know.
There's already flies around it. Oh, there's already flies on him. Is he alive? Why are there already flies on him? Yeah, I wouldn't touch that thing. Whatever. I hope it dies a happy death. Okay. Look at those goddamn lights.
Really? Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Like, that's the best part.
Look at.
Oh, I like that one. Yeah, you can change it on your mood.
You can lower it.
I like the go.
Oh, this one? I was gonna do that one. I was like, no, Grace won't really like that.
Aww.
Alright, shut up. I can't lay down or I'm like fucked. Alright, now we're going for a walk because...
We're going for a walk.
I don't
In
know.
the car.
No one's watching anymore, so we could pretty much do anything at this point.
Whatever.
We're going for a walk because fuck you, that's why. Look at all those geese. Yo.
No, they. Okay.
Wow. Alright, we're good. Let's see how much geese poop there are. Do you say gooses or geese?
Geese.
Geeses. You say moose or meese?
Moose. I don't think there's like a path to this.
There is now. We're making the path, Grace. Fucking live a little.
Here, wait.
I can make a shitty vlog out of anything.
Here. Actually, get in the light.
What?
Okay. Stay right there, okay?
Jesus Christ. I'm gonna take that out of the vlog because
It might be cool.
should I do it in slow motion?
I don't know.
Put some epic music in it? Really suspenseful? This is where everybody like
Well,
unsubscribes. Pick you a flower?
Yeah.
How about a burr? Grace, I got you that. Put it in your ear. This one's better.
That's the one I wanted.
It's like poison oak. What's your sign?
Talk about it. Gemini.
Yeah, typical Gemini. Oh, Geminis are fucking nuts.
We don't care.
I've like only gotten the normal side of you.
Here, you should film me blowing this.
God. This is what social media does to people.
Hold on, let me try again. It didn't really work. Oh, that might have been good.
I can't wait to put some epic suspenseful music behind that. Or what do you want done to it? Crazy filter
I don't know.
with like
I don't really like crazy filters.
so just slow motion.
Well, it might not look good because it wasn't all at once. So you could try. I feel like the other thing.
I'll cut it up so it's like looks like one breath blowing all of it.
Okay, bye.
I'm leaving.
Bye, Jake. My baby. Bye, baby.
Just get me the fuck out of here.
Save that bird. I want you to cuddle it. Cuddle it nice and tight. Not tight, too tight.
Easy, psycho.
Okay, bye. Bye. See ya. Oh. Oh no. Open the door. You
Whenever Diana comes over, you guys just go straight to your fucking room.
That's not true.
Never introduce me.
That thing hurts. Don't fucking throw it at people.
Shit, I forgot to end the vlog. Thanks for watching, whatever this was. I'm probably gonna have to cut out so much shit in this video, but yeah, that was fun. Hung out with the roommates, had some people over. I don't fucking know, dude. Darwin. Darwin. Okay, if you guys are even still watching, thank you. Good night.
When I get old, I'ma be real cool. Sitting on the porch with a fresh pair of shoes. Whole bunch of stories for the neighborhood kids. Tell them to believe they'll be making it big. And I know that life is nothing easy. One day I'ma change the world and they'll finally believe. Hey, from the outside looking in, it seems that I'm fine, but they don't know shit about the everyday grind. Time is money, money is time. They tell me get there in 5, but I'm running behind. I try and live a little, go and have a little fun. You only young ones, all the hating have you dumb. If life a joke, then I'm waiting for the pun. You all about the beef with me, I'm about to bun the bread. Cause I was just a little knucklehead. Now I got my shit together, spitting what they fucking with. If they ain't, it's great, no attention to the hate. Nothing changed, still cutting up, Henny still my drink. I'm still the same old dude, now I'm making moves. It's like everything I do front page news. I ain't playing in this game to lose. I want it all, no secret. The change they can when keep I get
it.
old, I'ma be real cool. Sitting on the porch with a fresh pair of shoes. Whole bunch of stories for the neighborhood kids.